up, this is called a box in a bag. So as the title suggests, I'm going to show you guys how to save a lot of money selling things on eBay using pirate ship to purchase your postage instead of buying it through eBay. The reason it's cheaper is that you're actually paying for the cubic size of the poly bag they're going to be using instead of the actual dimensions of the box. This cubic shipping is not an option via eBay, but it is if you use the very easy and free to use pirate ship. So if you found this video useful, please drop a like to share this video to other people who could definitely use this information and save money on their eBay business. Go to pirateship.com, set up your account, and attach your eBay to it. Once you've imported all the labels that you need to print out, you go through and you individually print them out. I obviously only have one for this situation, but you go through, you get the rates. You don't want to select the box option, you want to select the envelope. And if you read through all the different options, at the end there it says box in a bag, which is what we're doing. Keep in mind it cannot be over 18 inches of length. So go ahead and select that, input all your information, make sure it's all correct, and once you do that, you can go ahead, print out your label. Just to show you guys how much savings we're looking at here, with this product, I went to eBay and I looked up the postage rate for it, and it was going to be $15.69. So we are saving almost $7 off this package. And if we were to use the FedEx rate, we would save a little bit less, but still $4.50. That can be a lot of money over time. So once you make sure all your information is correct, you go through and you purchase the label. Now, once you purchase the label, all you need to do now is go ahead and print it off as you normally would, either with a thermal printer or a regular printer. So literally all we need to do is buy poly mailers. So these are just literally self-sealing plastic bags. And I got some really, really big ones just for this kind of situation where I can put bigger boxes into these poly bags. All right, so what we need to do is take the box, take the poly bag, and quite literally put the box inside of the poly bag. So what I'm going to do too, just to make sure this makes a safe trip to where it's going, I'm going to secure down these flaps because you never know what machine or where this is going to go. It could get hung up on something and you could lose a package and effectively lose money. So here it is, poly bagged up. This is called a box in a bag.